Wikidonist.com. Truth about tooth.
Last week we spoke about myths in root canal treatment, and so many people had comments and things like that. So today we will speak about the failures in root canal treatment. Any procedure or an action that has been repeated so many times will definitely have some failures, but after the failures we learn and we move out. So we have been seeing some failures in my colleagues' practice. We have seen failures over these ages. There are recorded failures of root canal treatment. So we will find out what are the reasons for failures and how we can avoid all those things, because failures are the stepping stones to success. So for successful root canal treatments, we need to understand the failures, and I will tell you how we avoid failures in root canal treatments. One, the main reason for root canal failures is that it was done in multiple stages, and most of the people will forget about the root canal treatment, or that they have started the root canal treatment in some time. So what happens is they will start the root canal treatment, the pain is gone, the patient is happy, so they will not come back for the finishing the treatment. So nowadays we do not do root canal treatments in multiple sittings. So we have avoided these kind of patients, because most of the patients we finish, 99% of the patients we finish the treatment on the first appointment itself. So there is no question of failing in that area. So the second reason why the root canal fails is basically because they do not do follow-ups. We tell the patient to come after 1 week or sometimes up to 3 months time. We will give them to do a crown in most of the cases, because the root canal treated teeth might have had cracks, might have some part of the tooth which is already lost. So the strength of the tooth is actually less. So what happens is we need to do a reinforcement using crowns, or sometimes we might need some extra things like core build up, or sometimes post and core has to be done. So all these things need an extra visit. So that is the second reason they may not come back after the root canal treatment. Even after the root canal treatment is finished, they may not come back to get the follow up treatments like crown and things like that. The third reason is actually the doctor's mistake itself. Sometimes the doctors miss some canals, that is a big issue. In some cases the doctors who have missed the canals are saved, because there is no infection or something like that, then it is saved. But most of the time, if a canal is missed, there will be a reinfection, and that has to be treated once again. So retreatment of canals has to be done in such cases, and then also we can save the tooth, you do not have to remove the tooth. Then improper fillings of the canal. The canal has to be filled completely till the tip using a biocompatible and a inert material. Otherwise what happens is reinfection can happen. So the proper filling of canals is very important, until the tip has to be is very important, and that has to be verified using a X-ray, and we have to understand whether it has reached till the tip. So that is the reason. Improper filling or improper technique of the doctor is another issue. Another important thing is any perforations or splitting of the roots. See, while doing root canal treatment, or because of the caries which has extended to the furcation area, or if there are two roots and if there is a space between the two root, and if the infection has gone into that area, the root canal can fail, giving you a pain and things. It is not the root canal which has failed, the tooth itself can fail. So that is one of the reasons. This can be corrected using the new technique with mineral tetroxide aggregate, or MTA we call it. So we can actually fill that area, we can actually do a post core build up in a proper way, and then also we can avoid and make a successful root canal treatment. Now another reason for root canal failure is not maintaining proper oral hygiene after the root canal treatment. Then the gums will go off, all the periodontal ligament will go off. It is not because the root canal has failed, because the infection or other teeth also would have failed, but this also will fail. Another one more reason is because undermining caries under the crowns. Even after the crown is done, even if you have done a root canal treatment, will there be a decay or a caries under that? Yes, there is tooth material, and if the gums are gone or if there is undermining caries, it can happen. So, we have to find out whether the root canal, the tooth is getting affected. So, you need a checkup to be done. Even normal teeth can happen. So, you better get a checkup done every 6 months or 1 year. So, please make sure that that is done, otherwise you will reduce the longevity of the teeth. So, that is also not a root canal failure, but because it is another caries which is formed in the same tooth, it can also fail. So, these are the reasons, variety of reasons why root canals can fail. I have told you why and how it can fail. So, please make sure that you understand this. And there are root canal failures caused due to fractured instruments. It can be retrieved and retreated. So, most of the root canal treatment failures can be retreated and corrected. If it is not cannot be treated at your place or something like that, then you might have to remove it and then replace it with a bridge or an implant or something like that. So, please do not believe in root canal failures. Failures are documented and we have researched it, and then root canal treatment has been improved according to all these things, and we have not used any of these caustic materials now. No more caustic materials are used inside the root canals or outside, so that the root canal is much more safe. And then, so that has to be understood by you, and then we can, once you understand that root canal is not a thing, you can go without fear and get the root canal treatment done and save your natural teeth. It is better to not to wait until it becomes a root canal treatment, but if at all you have a pain or something like that, if root canal treatment is required, please do it, so that you will have a comfortable tooth and that can be used. That is much better than an artificial tooth or an implant. Why I tell you? Because see, natural tooth or artificial tooth can be done any time if you lose the tooth, but a natural tooth cannot be there. Your own natural teeth is not there. If you lose it, it is lost. It is just like another organ, just like you have your eye, you have your arm, if you have your nose, you can replace it, yes, but not to the same quality as God has given. So, God bless you. Have a great tooth. Let the root canal treatment save your tooth if at all you encounter with one, but avoid all this trouble by going to the dentist in the right time, so that you can avoid all these large procedure or invasive procedures, and make sure that you have a great smile. Whether even if you have a chance for root canal treatment, you do not have to be worried about it. You can just go get it done, and you can have the tooth for years. I have seen root canal treatment last for 60-70 years. So, I never saw any problem with that. I have seen it in my own brother's mouth, I have seen it in my own wife's mouth, I have seen it in my own mom's mouth. If we are confident of that, we are not here to cheat you. So, please make sure that you do it. We do a lot of root canals on a daily basis. We do a lot of root canal treatments, and we have seen excellent results all through while, and patients are happy, patients are not having any pain, no, very comfortable. So, please do not believe those people who are having a propaganda against it, because it is not true. So, please go to a real good endodontic practitioner, and you will be able to get your pain out, and the tooth will serve you forever. Please subscribe, please like my videos, please comment whatever you feel about the videos. If you have a new topic, please let me know, so that I can talk about in the next coming weeks or days. Thank you very much. I am Dr. Thomas Nechupadam from India, Kerala.
Wikidonist.com